Startup Street. Now, Mumbai-based vacuum and process solutions company Economy Process Solutions has secured 100 crore rupees from Stakeboat Capital in its Series A funding. It plans to use this money to accelerate growth, broaden its range of in-house manufactured products, expand its global footprint and foray into new categories such as F&B solutions. For more insights into the company's future growth roadmap, joining me now is Rajesh Ahuja, the founder and CEO of Economy. Rajesh, welcome to Startup Street. Thank you for your time here. You've got this 100 crores in your kitty now. How will you deploy it? What are the key areas where you're going to focus this investment?
Thank you for having me on the show. We've got the 100 crores last week. We have plans of deploying about half of it in our F&B solutions. We have a joint venture with Omnia Technologies, which is an Italian MNC, and we expect that to start operations from the 1st of December of this year. So half of that goes there. And then we also have vacuum pumps. We're currently importing these from Korea. So with these funds, we intend setting up manufacturing facilities in our facility in Pune. And we should be able to manufacture the entire range of vacuum pumps and make in India as the government wants us to.
All right, Rajesh, we'll get to some of those specifics shortly, but you also have plans to expand globally. Just tell us which international markets you're prioritizing and the challenges you foresee as you scale your business internationally.
So internationally, we look at the Middle East market and the African market. We have already some business in that area. With this investment, we expect that our offerings will increase. We will be more price competitive. And also some part of this investment would go into marketing our company and building a brand. So the acceptability of Economy Process Solutions in these two areas, in these two markets, would hopefully increase as well.
Okay, now, coming to that beverage industry where you recently expanded, what is the strategy there and what is the potential you see for vacuum and process solutions in F&B, which you'll now, of course, use with this new fundraise?
Okay, so in F&B, we do the equipment for manufacturing the beverages. So this process, it has two parts to it. One is the processing part of the beverage business, where we actually generate the liquid that needs to be bottled. And then there's the packaging and the filling and labeling part of it. So on the second half of it, we have, as I said, tied up with Omnia Technologies, which is MNC based out of Italy. And we expect to use their knowledge and their experience in doing that part of the business. And in the processing sectors, most of these processes are under vacuum. So these vacuum pumps will also play a part in that manufacturing process.
So apart from F&B, are there other industries you think you may like to enter where you can provide solutions?
We are already a large player in the Indian pharmaceutical API industry, where we supply process equipments. We also supply our process equipments for the chemical and agrochemical industry in India. In the Middle East and in Africa, we use the process and the vacuum as a combination to do waste oil recycling plants and waste glycol recycling plants. So I think we have our hands full as far as our solutions go, and we want to grow in those solutions and become market leaders in those areas.
All right, since you have your hands full with all of these solutions you want to offer, what about expanding your manufacturing capabilities? You spoke about your plant at Chakan in Pune. How will your facility at Chakan evolve to meet these increasing demand projections that you have?
So we have two facilities in Chakan within 2 kilometers of each other. First facility is dedicated to manufacturing of the vacuum pumps. Here we have some equipment already contracted out to a Korean manufacturer. So we expect the manufacturing equipment to come in the next 4 or 5 months. And that will quadruple our manufacturing capabilities of the vacuum pumps. We also intend doing different types of vacuum pumps. So currently we do one particular type. We intend expanding our portfolio there. As far as the process equipment goes, we have just built a new 150,000 square foot facility 2 kilometers away from our existing facility. And there we are again going to invest in manufacturing equipment, typically equipment that would make manufacturing automated.
All right. Just a quick question on how large you think the export opportunity is. We understand you're looking to grow the domestic and export business in the next 4 to 5 years, and you want to capitalize on growth in sectors like waste management, pharma, chemicals, etc. So how much of your revenue over time do you think is going to come from exports versus what you make in the domestic market?
So currently, we do about 40% in exports, and we expect that over the 3 years, we will be able to grow that to about 60% of our revenue.
All right. And we wish you all the very best with those plans, Rajesh. Thank you very much for joining us here on Startup Street.
Thank you for having me. Thank you.
From one fundraise to another, Urja Mobility, a startup